intro to the video.
Hi everybody! Say hello.
Hi everybody!
It's me, Lindsay. This is Sierra, who was in my last video.
Hi.
And everybody introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name's Miles. These are all my friends.
Speak up.
Grace. My name's Taylor. It's me again.
My name's Emily.
We're gonna play a game.
Does it have a name?
Who's most likely to succeed?
8th grade yearbook.
Except like the opposite.
Eighth grade yearbook.
So we're gonna draw scenarios from a hat, and the deal is we each have pieces of paper with each of our names on it. So whoever we believe is most likely to do said thing that is read on the card, will publicly shame. Unless it's someone wrote like a nice thing.
I don't think so.
I don't think I did.
I wrote.
That's so sweet.
Okay, Emily, you can draw one.
Start.
Most likely to eat a whole pack of uncooked hot dogs.
1, 2, 3. Lindsay.
Oh my god.
Wait, what did you write? Oh my god.
Wow,
Miles,
Lindsay
me, Miles, me. I think I won.
Yeah. Are you a winner or are
Hot
you a
dog
loser?
squad.
Actually, I like hot dogs.
Especially raw.
Most likely to buy a G for $20.
We're gonna lose some
Oh my
friendships
god.
here.
It's about to be shady as fuck.
shady. Okay, ready, set, go.
Did you cry, Emily?
I knew I was gonna be kicked, but I wasn't gonna pick myself.
I know when I saw her take it off,
I ain't about being ripped off.
I'm sorry, I love you.
Why me?
I'd pay $20 for a
probably
G if I was in a foreign country where
I
less
would
amount.
though.
You probably
Yeah, you're
need a little bit
German,
less
right? Welcome back.
Most likely to cry after sex. Set, go.
Miles?
I wrote two.
I don't know. Oh, it's a tie.
They don't call me Kryles for nothing.
Cut!
Most likely to be a drama queen.
That's such a cute little.
I know. Me!
You said me?
The
said
shade is
Taylor.
real.
It's me, bitches.
Sierra.
You just hand me my bag.
What bag is it? That's your bag right there, right?
It's on my feet, yeah.
Most likely to kill somebody on accident.
Oh, wait, I know.
Oh
On accident?
my
Yeah.
god.
Caitlyn Jenner.
Oh my god.
What is that? Oh my god.
Ready, set, go.
We
all wrote something else.
I won.
Sierra.
Miles did win.
No,
Grace.
Miles and Grace
No, Grace
tied.
tied.
Me?
Yeah. Murderers collide.
I'm so
Not
glad
an
nobody
accident.
said me.
Well, you don't drive, so. Trying to kill
Not
someone
me.
in the back
Not
of the
me.
seat. Most likely to do coke off a guy's dick. Oh, ready, set, go.
Emily, Miles, Lindsay,
Grace.
Grace.
Wait, so who tied?
Just because I have sex doesn't mean I
It
like
was
home.
Emily and Grace.
I was
Emily
really
and
lost
Grace
up
tied.
Excuse me.
Most likely to be rich. Is that now or in the future?
Most likely to be. So.
Future. Did we all say
Lindsay,
ourselves?
Lynn. Oh, Emily, damn it.
I did myself too.
I've got big ambitions now.
So Sierra and I tied.
Word, guys. I'll just be a broke
Rich
bitch for life.
bitches.
Thanks, everybody.
Most likely to blow a cop to get out of a ticket.
Four.
I know. What'd you say, Miles?
I said myself.
I said Miles,
Grace.
too.
Sierra, Grace.
Wait,
Yeah.
three-way tie.
I'm not paying no ticket. I really suck.
Cut.
The truth exposed.
Anyways.
Cut.
I need marijuana.
Most likely to have a kid in the next 3 years.
Oh my god.
Set, go. What'd you say, Miles?
Aw, I said Tay.
I said Taylor too.
It's another
It's another
time.
time.
I said Miles.
I want to be a daddy. That's cute.
I know Taylor wants to be a mommy.
I do want to be a mommy. Oh, I got 3.
I said
Daddy,
you.
mommy, daddy, what?
Well,
I'm never
Daddy's
having kids.
drinking.
Could you imagine if one of us had a kid right now, then we're like, get the fuck back in bed.
Your mommy's
Me
the
and my-
most likely to do coke off a dick.
Most likely to eat ass.
Oh, I know.
Set, go. Me, Sierra. Lindsay wins.
Lindsay.
wins.
Let's go eat that.
Most likely to do crack.
Been there, done that. Who do you think kid? He have it too.
Turn him mild.
Mild.
Oh my god. Did you write yourself too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. You want to good job? You can.
that's right. Crack for life. That's what it's all about.
Crack is cheap.
You don't know what you think you know, do you?
Did you really know?
All right, most likely to make a sex tape.
Go. I said, who'd you say, man?
Grace.
Grace. You won by a landslide.
You want?
You don't own me.
I'm not one of y'all.
I'm not just running on
You don't own me.
You don't own me. You don't say that I go with other boys.
Good job.
Thanks.
It's a
M for Miles, N for Master of the Hat,
Masturbate.
Master of none.
N for Milady.
Okay, Emily.
Oh my god.
most likely to be famous.
Set, go.
Lindsay.
It's Sierra.
I said myself, but I think Lindsay.
Ooh,
Yeah,
I win.
Someone would be nice to me. That's fine.
So she's an
I'm a
actor.
crackhead. I'm most likely to be broke.
I
I'm most
mean,
likely
I'm
to
gonna be
get
accidentally.
No. Most likely to join the 27 club. Stop it.
That's the 27 club.
Like
It's when you die when you're 27. You
Oh,
live
Jimmy
life.
famous Amy
John
Winehouse.
Ready, set,
Go.
I said Grace.
I said Grace.
It's myself.
Oh, Grace wins.
It's
Nice.
true.
I mean, you lose.
Yeah, you died.
Oh, fuck!
Famous.
Or alcohol based. Brittany Murphy, that's
Okay,
pretty
yeah.
suspicious.
That's
She's in
Jimi
the
Hendrix,
27th club?
death is pretty suspicious.
Kurt
Yeah.
Cobain.
Kurt Cobain,
Suspicious.
suspicious. Amy Winehouse,
No, she just
Shit.
fucking whose turn is
It's
it?
my turn.
Taylor.
Most likely to
put this
survive in
video.
the wild.
Wait, did I
Said
say
myself.
I said my own.
I said
I said
myself.
Taylor.
Thank you guys.
Shot in the dark.
Wait, so
I might do
won.
okay, but I
I
think
thought
Taylor
you
won.
okay.
Taylor, you
Taylor
won.
won.
I almost said Taylor too. Well, first I thought Taylor, but then I thought you were just like a mountain man already.
I'm a Boy Scout.
You were a Boy Scout. Most likely to give CPR to a drowning victim. These are like nice.
These are really cool. Can
I
I just
do.
preface this with I just took a first aid class and learned CPR and I have a respirator
I have a
in my car.
babysitter license. I'm gonna pick a different one.
I put that one in there because I knew it was you.
Okay, I'm gonna pick a different
You've seen my respirator in
I've
my
seen your respirator.
Most likely to actually kill someone.
Act like so in cold blood.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what's going on? Emily, murderer.
I put you because
She did it.
every hero
If
has
somebody in
a
this
dark
group
side.
She did it.
Emily in the living room with a bong.
You're talking
Because then everyone whoever's
What's
been
that?
your prince are gonna be on there, right?
That's
Well,
a
but
good
we
fucking point.
Someone. None of y'all will be able to catch
There's only
me.
one left.
Yeah, I go
Does that
hard.
say share?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I go hard.
I'm a
It's
badass.
not
It's
cut.
alright.
Go ahead.
That's just so pure. Most likely to share a fidget spinner.
I don't like that one.
I don't understand.
Most likely to share a fidget spinner meme.
Oh, meme.
Oh.
Most likely to share a fidget spinner meme.
How did I miss a whole word?
It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Set.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Okay. That sucks.
Oh god, alright, here we go. Emily, my girl, you love fidget spinners.
I win.
Miles.
I win.
I did Lindsay.
Lindsay, you fidget spinner.
She's like,
Like,
fidget
I have.
oh.
Thank you for watching. I hope it was fun learning about how shitty and trashy all my friends are. But we're really good people at the end of the day.
Sometimes. I love you, you too.
But we're all white, so you probably can't trust us that much.
Right.
Like and
Really
subscribe.
don't even
Thanks.
watch this. Don't watch this. Trash.